Hello friends! Today is day 10 of our 30-day declutter challenge and we're going to declutter cookbooks. So how many cookbooks do you have and how many cookbooks do we really need? This is my stack of cookbooks and honestly I really don't need any of them. However, I do like to use them for decor. So I'm going to show you the 4 different books that I rotate through during the seasons. The Magnolia Table, I really like it, but honestly I've never cooked anything out of it. Have you? And then this next one is the one that I set out for the holidays. It's got a lot of delicious cookies in it, but guess what? I never used it once. Not one time this year did I use any of the recipes out of this cookbook. I got all my recipes off of Pinterest. And then I really like the colors of this book, so I usually pull this out around spring. Now I have tried a couple of recipes in that book. And then my final one is my No Crumbs, what is it called? No Crumbs Left. This one really looks like fall to me, so I put it out in the fall. And then these 2 books I bought for my husband. He likes to have smoothies. This one right here is for juicing and for smoothies. The pictures are all gorgeous. And I think that there might be 1 or maybe 2 that he's made out of here. And then the smoothie Bible, not as pretty inside. However, in the front of it, it's got a few recipes that are really good for like if you have, let's see, that one says skin conditions. Forget that one right there. We've got Parkinson's disease. We've got migraines. And then a recipe for one for menopause. Oh, your girl needs that one. And this Rachel Ray cookbook, I used to use it all the time. I used to really like her 30-minute meal TV show that was on. And I don't know if that's still on anymore, but I really like that show. So I got this book. And there are several recipes in here that were very, very good. One in particular is a chicken cacciatore recipe. I'm trying to look in the back of the book to see if I can find it, and I could not find the recipe while I was looking. However, I do end up finding it, and I take a picture of it. You'll see me doing that here in a minute. So tell me, are you still using cookbooks or have you moved on to something else? You know that I'm using my Mealime app and that's what I use the majority of the time. And occasionally I will get recipes off of Pinterest. So these cards you get when you order Blue Apron, and I also have some for HelloFresh in here. Now I think it was last year that I organized all of these. There are several meals in here that were really, 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 really good. Really good. And the reason that I saved the Blue Apron ones there is because we were doing the Weight Watchers. And it has all the points and everything on it. So I saved those so that I could remake those meals. However, I've never done it. I organized them all, but I never cooked any of the recipes from there. So I'm getting rid of the whole stack. There's no need for me to be holding on to those all this time. So what you're seeing me do now is I'm taking pictures of the recipes that I like out of the book. And then I'll save those photos on my phone and put them in my folder that's labeled recipes. And in doing this, I'm now able to donate the book and save myself some space in my home. How many of you remember a recipe box? Do you still have your recipe box? I sure wish I still had my recipe box. So anyways, I bought this new recipe box and I thought it would be nice to add some of my favorite meals into it. You know, we have several that we like to put on rotation that I would like to keep, you know, a hard copy of the actual recipe. So I bought this cute metal, it is metal, and it's got this wood top. And then you see the little acrylic sign, you can put your recipe in there and then set it on the top there. That way it doesn't get dirty. It also comes with a set of 8 dividers. I like that they're color coded and they also match the recipe cards. And right here is the recipe card. It gives you a spot where you can put prep time and all the things, and then the directions of how to cook what you're making on the back of it. I just thought this was really cute, and it's going to look really cute here on my counter or up in my pantry. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, would you please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.